I've got the Google Pixel 4a right here with the third beta of Android 12 installed on it. And another one of the new features that was added in this update is a better, as well as more accurate, auto rotate feature. Now, auto rotate on Android is something that many people simply just disable due to it not performing the way they prefer it to. But in Android 12, Google wants to improve this in a number of ways, including optimizing the animation, the redrawing of the screen, as well as adding some machine learning to the detection algorithm. So you can find this feature in a couple of different ways. You can find it in the quick settings panel as a tile called auto rotate, which we can turn on and off right here. And we can also long press to go into the settings area for that feature. We can also open up the settings application, tap the display option, and then scroll down a little bit until you see the auto rotate screen option. So from here you can see we have a simple toggle to enable or disable the feature as a whole. So when this toggle is off and we try to rotate the screen, nothing is going to happen. However, if we rotate the screen whenever the toggle is on, you can see Android is detecting that the screen is being rotated. Another major improvement to this feature is the face detection option. And this is something that I believe has been in some Samsung smartphones since 2012. This is a separate option. We can keep this disabled if we want. However, if we want to improve the auto rotation feature, we can enable this so that Android will reference the image that it can capture in the camera to determine if it should auto rotate the screen or not. Something that is very useful if you like to use the phone in bed often and notice that auto rotate screen kicks in even when you are lying down and looking at the screen normally. Just be aware that even if you do not enable face detection feature here in Android 12, you do still get a number of improvements by using the auto rotation feature on this update. Again, this includes optimizations to the animation, the redrawing of the screen, as well as an added machine learning gesture detection algorithm. All of these improvements are said to reduce the latency of the auto rotate feature by around 25%. Paired with the face detection feature should increase the accuracy as well. So that wraps up the changes happening to the auto rotate feature of Android 12. If you're like me and have typically disabled this feature due to it simply being annoying, I highly recommend you give it another shot to see if the changes included in this update improve the user experience for you.